Welcome to the Mail Valet training videos. In this video we will continue with the training on application setup. In our last video we covered adding, changing, and removing email accounts. This video will cover adding, changing, and removing folders within those accounts and configuring folders to sort their email contents and color code their contents as needed. We left off last time with the app view that's shown here in the Accounts section. Now we will tap on Folders to perform folder maintenance. So let's tap on Folders. And you'll notice that this layout for folder maintenance is very similar to Accounts. On the left side there are three sub-functions that you can use, and the associated data with each function is shown on the right. In this case, let's start by clicking on Change Folder to look at some that are existing. On the right side, notice where it says Select Account Containing Folder. There's only one account out there right now. There would be multiple accounts if we had configured them, but right now we'll select just the one that's there. When we do, you'll notice that all of the pre-configured folders that are out there by default when a new account is added show up. That would be the inbox, sent folder, drafts, and trash. There are other folders that may be added as the program automatically as Mail Valet runs, and of course in addition we will manually create our own folders. The ones that can be added automatically would be a profiles folder when email profiles are created, and an outbox folder if an attempt is made to send an email which does not work the first time. The result will be the output email will be saved in the outbox folder for sending when the connection is available. Okay, so we're in Change folder. We selected the Gmail account, and the folders that we have here, I'm going to select on Inbox as an example and click on the Next button at the upper right hand corner. And then you'll notice the default configuration for the Inbox folder. It does not display email list colors of the email contents. Those are not color coded unless you change them so that they are. The emails are not sorted by priority, and there is a default color assignment. When routing rules are used to send emails from really the inbox to another folder, a priority is assigned to each email that is moved by that rule. In the folder that it's going to, color coding can be done to the emails that are going to that folder based on priority. If the rule assigns a priority of high, then we can select here what color will be assigned to that email in that folder. In other words, high priority in this case would be colored red, medium priority would be colored yellow, low priority would be colored blue, and no priority would be colored green. So that's the assignment of priorities. We can click on Next again, and that really is all there is to the setup for changing folders. We can click on Gmail again, and we can go to other folders and see the same thing. Okay, those are the default existing folders. Now let's look at adding a new folder. We'll click on the Add Folder function. Notice again that we have the list of accounts because we need to put a specific folder into a specific account. In our case, again, we only have one account. We'll click on Gmail, and now I want to enter a new folder name, so I'll just say Test Folder. And then I'll tap on the Next button in the upper right corner as you see here. We go immediately then to the folder configuration view, which carries forward the name that we just typed in, and when you can change your mind and put something else here if you want. And we can also turn on the display of colors so that color coding will take place when routing rules move emails into this folder. And we can either turn on or not turn on the sorting emails by their priority that's assigned by the rule. If it's not turned on, then the order of the emails in that folder will be in time order when they arrived in the folder. So I'm going to turn it on, and then we can make the color assignments for each priority assigned to an email that comes into this folder. Say I want to have high priority be green, medium be blue, low be yellow, and no priority to be red. And I'll just tap on the Next button. That'll bring us back to add another folder if we want to. Now let's go back to Change for a second. I'll tap on Change, tap on the account, and you'll notice now that test folder is included in the list of folders for that account. If I go all the way back out, notice now that test folder shows up in my regular list of emails on the main email view. Okay, so I'm going to tap on Setup, go back to Folders, go back to Change, tap on the account, and then tap on Test Folder, and tap the Next button. And again, you'll see that the assignments that I'd already made were saved permanently. They are now in that folder, in that account. Tap on Next. Now I'm going to add one more. I'm going to tap on Add Folder, and I'm going to call this folder Want to Delete. Tap on Next. Sorry, I didn't select an account. That will give you a warning message if you forget to select an account that folder should go in. So I'll tap on Gmail and now tap on Next. And I'm just going to accept the defaults in this case and tap on Next again. Now let's go back. We should have added that folder. Let's tap on Change Folder and the account. And you'll notice looking down that Test Folder and Want to Delete are there. Okay, now let's tap on Delete Folder, tap on the account, and you'll notice that if I tap on Want to Delete, it'll tell me I'm about to delete this folder and any emails that it contains. It's not reversible. Are you sure you want to do it? So I'll tap on OK, and the folder is now gone. So I can again go to Close, Test Folder's there, and the other new folder is not there. Okay, let's just go back in one more time and go to Folders once more. One more look. And then the 4 default folders are there, and Test Folder is there.